Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we will make a full teardown with the JBL Partybox Encore Essential. So we will gonna see how big is the woofer, how many tweeters it has, and of course what is inside it, how large is the battery, and of course we already made a full teardown of the JBL Partybox on the go. So please tell me in the comments what do you think, and feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel. Cheers! So this is the JBL Partybox Encore. First we need to put it upside down, because on the bottom side it has 4 little legs. We will gonna take them off, and underneath we will gonna see four screws. Remember, the JBL Partybox Encore Essential, it is the same as the JBL Partybox on the go. It has the same woofer, 5.75 inches. It has 2 tweeters just like the Partybox on the go, and of course it has the same power, 100 watts. In my opinion, I like more the design of the JBL Partybox on the go. And of course the JBL Boombox 3, it is better, it is waterproof. These two speakers are just IPX4 for a little light rain, so a little splash proof protection. Now the bottom side, it has only some clips. So this is the first corner. It's not that easy to do this. Because this is the first time that we opened this speaker, it was very hard, because it has this rubber for water to not get inside the speakers. So this is the back cover, and now let's go further with the teardown. Now we are gonna try to remove these screws. And now we are gonna slide the lateral sides on the down part. That's it. This was the right side, and now on the other side. Now we are gonna remove these 4 screws, because here is the battery, and we want to see the interior of the battery and the board that charges the battery full. So this is the board that charges the battery, the internal battery that is inside the JBL Partybox Encore Essential. And now we are gonna take down the back of the speakers. As you can see here, we have two hidden screws, one on the left and one on the right. Okay, so one is down. After you remove these two screws, just pull on the board and unplug the connectors. They had two. So this is the model. Here we can connect two speakers, we can plug in the aux in and out, and it has the USB, and of course the mic or guitar in or out. Well, to remove the back panel, we need to take down the upper panel. So we need to take down this to take out the back side of the speaker. We have 3 screws on every side. And now on the front, we are gonna remove this silicone because here are 2 screws. As you can see, it works very good. And we have these 2 screws. Unfortunately, I told you that this speaker was very easy to tear down, but inside it has a screw that you need to go into here, and there is the screw. I don't know how to show you, but you see that shiny thing? There is the screw. You see it? It is very hard to go there, but we will try. But as I told you, you need a very special tool that is like this. You see? So it's easy to make a teardown, but I think it will be harder to put it back. Now we will remove the aluminum part to take out the main board. Be careful when you take down this, because it has connectors. I think it has 3 or 4 connectors. And this is the same battery, the same internal battery as the JBL Partybox on the go. So to remove the front cover, we need to take down that screw, and the front will just pop out. So to take out the back side, just pull hard till it will pop out, just like this. So this is the back. This is where we have the ports. This is the bass reflex membrane, and we are gonna go further. Here are the two hidden screws for the upper part. So I thought it was easier to make this teardown, but unfortunately it was heavier, and I hope I didn't damage the speaker, but we will see. So you need to pull very hard for the clips to pop out. So let's go. As you can see, we have just one connector that connects the buttons to the motherboard, but you need to be careful with this kind of connectors because they are very sensitive. Okay, this is the upper part, and I think we just damaged this circuit. We'll see when we'll put it back. And now let's take out the front cover with the speakers. For this we're gonna need to unscrew only 2 screws, and we need to pay attention at the connectors because it will have a couple. So we see that this is the JBL Partybox Encore. It has 100 watts that comes from 2 tweeters and 1 woofer. This is a 5.75 inch woofer that has 3 ohms. Of course it has the LED display, and this is the inside of the speakers. This is the bass reflex membrane, and all this wire connect the main motherboard. Now we're gonna remove the woofer. Compared to the JBL Partybox on the go, on this speaker it says 3 ohms, and on the tweeters it's just a code. You need to remove about 6 screws. And this is the speaker. So it's very similar with the JBL Partybox on the go, and the sound that comes out from this speaker is amazing. This was a very hard to tear down speaker because it has a lot of connectors, lots of hidden screws. We even need a screw that is bent to take up that screw. And because it has a lot of connectors, I think I damaged the one connector. I will see this after I will plug it in, but I am almost positive that is damaged. What can I say? Don't try this. I made this teardown because I was curious about the differences between the JBL Partybox Encore and the JBL Partybox on the go, because both of them have 100 watts, both of them have the same woofer and the same two tweeters, but of course the construction is very different, and I hope it will work. Please tell me in the comments what do you think, and feel free to subscribe our AudioTribe YouTube channel. Cheers!